Good day and welcome to this week's video. You are looking at the color that has painted profits of over 30% this year and is still rising. Before we get into whether you should become a gold investor at current levels, let's understand a little about gold economics. Most of you have bought gold in the form of jewelry during auspicious and special events of your life. 24-karat pure gold is also purchased as investment. Most of the gold worldwide is stored by the central banks as reserves. Gold and silver have high requirements in technology domain due to its special chemical properties. Now that you know the uses of gold, let us understand why has gold grown so much this year. Due to the lockdown, large-scale weddings and other functions have been postponed, causing a huge drop in demand for jewelry. But the fear of uncertainty that lies ahead due to COVID caused larger-than-ever purchases into investment-grade gold by individuals like yourself as well as central banks. RBI bought gold worth $3 billion over the last 3 months. As unlocking of the country has begun, both the stock market and gold are on the rising spree. But in the near future only one will rise further. To maintain the economy, excess liquidity was pumped into the system by our government and banks. If the added liquidity and dropping rate of interest cause inflation to rise, then gold will perform even better and continue to rise, as it is a commodity. If the added liquidity leads to higher investment, then the stock market will continue to grow. While stock market is highly driven by sentiments, and can go either ways, we believe there is high potential in gold too, for the following reasons. Decline in dollar index. It has come from 102 to 94, which means that central banks all over the world are buying gold instead of dollar to store their reserves. All wars in 21st century are financial based, to damage the economic capability of the opposition country via sanctions and bans. It will always be related to oil, currency or gold, and as history is witness, the involvement of America is most likely, thereby weakening the dollar and making gold even more valuable as the safe investment worldwide. Supply of new gold is very low. At the moment production of gold is increasing by only 1% per year. This is due to lack of new mines getting licensed, as well as production is closely controlled. While we aren't sure of the reason behind this, we suspect the gold lobby involvement to keep supply low and prices high. How much gold should you have in your portfolio? If the percentage of risky investments in your portfolio is between 30 and 70, then you should have 15 to 20% in gold. And if risky investments are under 30%, then gold should be 10%. If you want a Goldfolio, contact VNG Capital to understand when, where, and how to invest wisely in gold.